Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best of the best so you can make smarter choices. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best first aid kit for home emergency supplies. The M2 Basics Professional 350-piece First Aid Kit. This isn't your average drugstore first aid kit. The M2 Basics kit is designed for real-life emergencies, whether you're at home, on the road, or at work. With a total of 350 medical-grade items, this kit equips you to treat everything from minor scrapes and burns to more serious sprains and cuts. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a rugged red hard case. It's dual-layered, wall-mountable, and opens to reveal neatly organized swing-out compartments. Everything is structured for speed and clarity, critical in high-stress situations. Whether it's in a warehouse, your home garage, or a classroom wall, this case is made to be seen and accessed fast. Inside, you'll find antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, adhesive bandages in various sizes, trauma shears, dressing pads, a cold compress, gloves, and a whole lot more. Every piece is carefully selected to meet OSHA workplace standards. That's right, this kit is OSHA compliant, which makes it perfect for office spaces, job sites, or even mobile businesses. Think about it. Accidents don't wait for ideal conditions. You could be in your car, out camping, or hosting a birthday party when someone takes a nasty fall. This first aid kit isn't just about patching up, it's about preparedness. It covers the essentials with enough depth to actually be useful when it counts. M2 Basics is a brand trusted across thousands of homes and businesses. This isn't just a first aid kit, it's peace of mind in a box. It's professional grade, yet accessible. Comprehensive, yet compact. And it's backed by a brand known for reliable emergency preparedness solutions. Whether you're a parent, a manager, or just someone who takes safety seriously, this kit earns its place. And for those of you thinking ahead, it makes an amazing gift for new homeowners, road trippers, or small business owners. So there you have it, the M2 Basics Professional 350-piece First Aid Kit. A small investment that could make a big difference. Check out the link in the description if you're ready to upgrade your emergency readiness. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments. Where are you keeping your emergency kit? Thanks for watching Product Critique. Stay safe, stay ready. See you next time.